enjoy Carnival with me. I can't wait. And also don't judge me, because it might get a bit wild. Hi Days, it's your girl Ebonix here on Notting Hill Carnival Monday. I am fully dressed and I'm ready, getting ready to go, getting ready to chip down the road. We're ready. Every year is a carnival year for me. So as you can imagine, lockdown was hell for your girl because we had to wait. But we are back. I'm repping my homeland, Barbados. I am jumping with Island Mass this year, but I decided not to do a costume only because, you know, the cozy lives. We move and we gyrate, and I've got a bodysuit. If it needs to be, I've got my brush, I've got my powder and stuff.
There was like a patch.
I was recording the whole time, okay. So me and Jade practically go to Carnival every year together. It's our tradition since we were about 14. Yep. Pretty go with my mum, your mum. What does like Carnival mean to you?
Soca has to be involved. It is the core of Carnival in my opinion.
It's the culture. Yeah. You understand?
Carnival is a concert. It just makes me feel like I'm part of a community. We all respect each other, you know.
Carnival beach vibes, good people, good drinking, and good whining.
Carnival's a big part of my identity, my culture. It means so much to me to just kind of go on the road and just feel free. Just feel free.